In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add file attachments to PDFs in Acrobat Pro. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to include additional documents like Word files, images, or even Excel sheets with your PDF, allowing readers to access supplementary information seamlessly. So let's dive right into it. First, you want to open your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you have the document ready to go because this is where we'll be adding those important file attachments. Opening your PDF should be a straightforward process. Just locate the file on your computer and drag it into Acrobat Pro, or you can simply go to File, then Open, and select the correct PDF. This setup will ensure you're all set to proceed with the next steps. Once your PDF is open, turn your attention to the top menu. Here you'll head over to Tools, hover over that, and then scroll down to select Edit PDF. Alternatively, you can also choose Tools and then Comment, as both of these options will bring you to where we'll need to be. In Adobe Acrobat, Tools are where you get much of the extra functionality beyond just reading your PDF, so it's helpful to know your way around there. Now that you're in the right mode, look for the Attachments tool, represented by a paperclip icon. You'll usually find this icon in the left navigation pane. Clicking on this icon will open the Attachments panel. In this panel, there's an option that says Add File, usually accompanied by an image of a paperclip and a plus sign. Click on that, and it will prompt you to select the file you wish to attach. Choose your desired file, whether it's a Word document, an image, an Excel spreadsheet, or even another PDF, and click Open. Once your file is selected and opened, it is automatically embedded into your PDF. You'll notice it appearing in the Attachments panel almost immediately. This function is fantastic for keeping related documents together and making sure anyone who views your PDF has access to all necessary files without having to search for them individually. It's a neat feature that simplifies collaboration and document sharing. Finally, and this is crucial, do not forget to save your PDF. Saving ensures that your attachment is permanently secured within the document. Go to File and hit Save, or simply press Ctrl+S on your keyboard to preserve all the changes. It's always good practice to double check that your attachments are where they should be after saving. And there you have it. By following these steps, adding file attachments to your PDFs in Acrobat Pro becomes a seamless and effective way to enrich your documents. Thanks for watching, and happy PDF editing.